I'm going to create this green-blue smoky eyes. I've used the L'Oreal Infallible Intense Black Gel Eyeliner to create an outline and tightline my eyes. This is a very easily workable product and it creates an outline before I apply the colorful eyeliners, as this is much more easier to work with and remove if required. I then go on the upper eyelid close to my lash line, and then from midway from my eyeball I start pulling a line out and create a wing. The wing initially is horizontal. This is just an outline, so that's where I want every product, including the eyeshadow and the eyeliner, to stop. It's important to check with the other side and make sure they're both symmetrical. As my eyes are drooping, often when I draw, I find the line going down. So it's important to make sure that you just give a flick at the end to make it go more upwards than downwards. I use my nail to often fix this. Then I move on to my liquid eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris in the shade Emerald to line all over the areas that I've used the black gel liner. Because the black base color is black, the eyeliner gives a very nice emerald green dark color, which goes very well on my skin tone. I prefer a look very subtle rather than in my face. Then I move on to my eyeshadow. I use my Australis Beach Days eyeshadow palette. I have used the coral all over my lid first and then applied the reef, shade reef on the outer corner, the surf in the inner corner, and on top of the surf I've applied the mermaid, which has a bit of gold shimmer on it. I then blend it all in. I also use the mermaid in the inner corners of my eyes and over the wings. So the green is used over the wing and the blue is going to go under the line of the wing. And then I tight line my eyes with the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Liner in the shade Emerald Green to give it a very cohesive look. Then I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade Ombre over the mid and the inner corners of my eyes. Then I use my NYX Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Mahogany to clean it all up. I have used the foundation from Armani, the Luminous Silk in the shade 8.75. I've contoured my nose with the She Glam nose contour pen and highlighter. I've used the blush from Milani, the Cheek Kiss in the shade Wine Glow. And for the blue eyeliner, I've used the L'Oreal Paris liquid eyeliner in the shade Blue. It's very hard for me to do the left eyes as I'm right-handed. And I use a Q-tip often to fix my errors with some micellar water in it. I would normally wear a brown contact lens with this. I've not applied that tonight. So I'm going over my wing as well. And for my mascara, I've used the Australis Electric Blue Mascara, which completes the look. This is a very attractive and sultry, sexy eyes. I would wear something which is either black or white for this look. I'm very happy how this turned out to be. I love the way this has come together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do like, subscribe and share if you would like to see more videos and tutorials like this.